Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my top 5 accessories that I love to carry with me as a travel videographer. These items are always traveling with me and I think they really do make a huge difference while traveling as a travel filmmaker and also make my life on set just that much easier. The last one is really going to surprise you, so let's jump into it. Okay, the first item that I do want to show you guys is my Peak Design bag. This bag is incredible. It is the perfect tech bag in my opinion. It goes with me everywhere. It's simple. I can throw it in my carry-on, I can throw it in my backpack, and it's super easy. It really helps me keep myself organized while on the road. And as you can see, it does have a ton of compartments inside to keep myself super organized, and I love that. It's honestly the perfect tech bag for me, and I think it could really help you keep yourself organized on the road while traveling and carrying a ton of film gear. I actually have all the other accessories inside my tech bag, so let's grab our next item. The next item is my SSDs. I love to carry these SSDs. These ones are made by SanDisk, and as you can see, they're super tiny and they come in multiple different colors. I love the colors of this blue one. And I think they're just perfect to have. A lot of times I am shooting a ton of footage ranging from 300 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. And I love to be able to transfer my footage as soon as I'm done with the shoot so that I have it in 2 places. It is on my SD card and it is now also on one of my SSDs. I am also traveling a ton for work, so a lot of times I am editing on the road, and these are super reliable, they're super fast, and I could not ask for a better SSD. I do have the 2 different versions here, so I have just the Extremes and I do have the Extreme Pro. I didn't notice that much of a difference using the Extreme Pro versus the Extreme, so I did go back to the Extremes just because they are a little bit cheaper and also they are a little bit smaller. I also have this incredible slip disc on the back of my computer, which makes carrying them on my computer even easier. And again, I cannot recommend enough carrying a couple SSDs with you, just so you have that extra storage with you on the road. Okay, the next item I have is my SD card holder. Check this thing out. I can hold up to 8 SD cards at once, and I love that it is red because it really makes it pop inside my bag. I know I can grab it and I know I'm going to be able to grab the SD card on the go. Like I said, I'm shooting a ton of footage and I need to be able to shoot a ton of storage at the same time. And this SD card holder really helps me keep myself organized. And also SD cards are super easy to lose. I've lost a ton of them in my lifetime, and with this thing, I know I'm not going to lose them. Okay, now let's get into some of the tools that I carry with me to make my life a little bit easier. The first is this Manfrotto mini tripod. Let me grab it out here. Look how tiny this thing is. So a lot of times I am traveling as a solo filmmaker or videographer, so I'm normally only trying to carry 1 tripod at a time. This allows me, in case I need a second camera, look at this, I can fold it out, I can attach my camera to it, I can set it on a table, I can set it on an object, and I know I'm going to have a sturdy shot with this. It holds everything from my C70 to my Osmo Pocket 3 to my A7S, and I haven't had any issues with it. Also, if it is on the bottom of your A7S, say, you can just fold it up, and it really doesn't add that much dimension or weight to your camera. A lot of times I do just attach this to my second camera and it just lives on there. The next tool I want to show you guys is my Cool tool. Check this out. This is called a Cool tool. This little tool is probably my favorite tool that I do carry. It has an Allen wrench on one side and it has a screwdriver mount on the other side. This is perfect because a lot of times I am switching my camera from my gimbal to my tripod, and I do need to be able to quickly take it off its quick release plate and attach it to another plate. And a lot of times I am just shooting for 1 or 2 days, so I do not want to waste time transferring my camera. This thing is super helpful on set, and I highly recommend you picking up a couple of them. They're not that expensive. I think they used to be $5 or $6. Now they may be $8 or $9. I do have 3 or 4 of them. I keep one in my tech bag. I also keep one in my Pelican, and I do keep one in my backpack, so I know I always have one of these on set. This thing is super handy, and I highly recommend you picking one up. Now I do have a couple bonuses for you guys. I do always carry a notebook and pen with me. I'm a big proponent of bullet journaling, and also sometimes I get some ideas for my YouTube channel while traveling, and I just want to jot down ideas on the road. Carrying a notebook is perfect for this, and as you can see, it does fit very nicely inside my Peak Design bag, and I know I always have a notebook with me. Now my last bonus item might surprise you guys, but I do love to carry a set of binoculars with me. I am traveling a lot throughout North America, US and Canada, so I do get to see some beautiful places, and I love just having a set of binoculars with me in case I do get some time to escape to the wilderness and really go check out the nature in the surrounding area. Awesome, well that'll do it for today guys. I really hope you guys learned something, and hopefully you can pick up one of these items and it'll make your traveling with film gear a little bit easier. Please like and subscribe to my channel, as it really does help my channel grow. Until next time, peace.